I just got home to Baglanstown. As most of you know, at the moment for the summer I'm working in Galway. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give you a little tour of the famous mobile unit. I have a designer, as I mentioned in the last video. She's given me some of her sketches and everything, which are amazing, and the color scheme and everything. So we're gonna have that done, get some templates done up, and get cracking on that in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, without further ado, guys, here's the inside of that beautiful Josope'S cafe.
Well, lately, in June time, we party the dark nights, ain't nothing.
Before we begin, guys, I'm going to show you the outside of it. So it's very modest, you know, kind of lovely looking. So I'll tell you the idea of what we're going to have. So over here on the top, right, where this coffee cup is, we're going to take that down, put a little heart there with the logo of Josope'S Cafe and our own personal quote. We're going to have a little bit of designs here. Nothing written on that because that pops up and then you know, can't see anything. Now on the bottom right there, that's going to be where our menu is going to be. And right here, we're going to have a little section for all you guys to put your own quotes every day. We'll take pictures of it, put them on our social medias for everyone to see. They're going to love it. And then on the side here, we're going to have some quotes from you guys as well. We have some designers already. And also, guys, DM us, send us all of your favorite quotes and lyrics and everything, and we'll put it on this one right here. And on the top here as well, we'll have that white spot there. That's where we're going to have some quotes of your own. And here too. Now on the back, we're going to have a little more designs, and where there's big stickers, we're going to have a massive heart once again, or a teacup or something, and it's going to have another quote that says I love here and come again soon. So it's pretty amazing, guys. It's like very small, very compact, but it's something that you love. And on the back here, we're going to have another Josope'S Cafe right there. Coffee that you love. All there for when I'm driving around, people will see that. And now, guys, let's see the inside.
We never seem to let this go.
Still a bit dirty, guys, because I've been away for a couple weeks, so I need to sweep it off. When I bought it, there was some guy who sold it to me, gave me City Haste, chocolates and sweets. So we got our lovely, wonderful fridge for the milk. So up here we're gonna have all of our coffee beans and cups and everything. Right here on the bottom and on the side is where we're gonna have our chocolates and crisps and all that. Right there is where we're gonna keep the till overnight, so it's somewhere spare. I might even have the till there while we're during the day as well, depending on how we feel. And in this little fridge right here, we're gonna have the cokes and all the cold drinks, and then I'll open it up for you guys to see the full thing.
Street lights between you and I. Traffic lights and neon signs.
I was gonna see when you walk up and you're like, hey, I want a coffee. The best coffee shop in the world. Best stuff. Got some lovely Peruvian beans going on. Got some great prices. Got some amazing milk, beautiful latte art. And you're gonna walk up right here, and what you're gonna see, me, right there. Standing there, you got your full view of any drinks that you want. See the guys who I bought it from left me a little present, and I was like, I don't want these, but I'm gonna clear them out. Give a good clean out of that. We got your, see the fresh sandwiches, gonna redesign those for fresh coffee. So you're gonna see, you're gonna order here. Coffee machine will be right there. See this fridge right in here is gonna go over there, and and that fridge is gonna go underneath it, just on the right, on the left, and yeah, and then you order here. There's gonna be coffee here, literally no steppage. You're walking up, you already see the sign, you already see what you want to get. Awesome, cool. And then we go on. You see, depending on how it's gonna be though, guys, we might even have the beautiful menu just below our logo here. We don't know about that yet. And then we'll see how it goes from there, guys. So this is how it looks. So yeah, I know it's a mess a little bit more. It needs to be cleaned up and properly swept and wiped down and repainted and refurbished. But look, you can't start a wave without a ripple, and you can't start a ripple without a pebble. I'm the pebble. This unit is the ripple. Josope'S Cafe. Josope'S Cafe is the wave. So thanks, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, if you want to see anything more, I'm gonna put up a video soon of us just after this is kitted out. I'll put a video of us clearing it all out, cleaning it up, repainting it, and I'm gonna give you a finished product of it all. So hope you enjoy it, guys. And also, big news: I'm getting our business cards together. But if you want to book us for anything from September onwards, email us at info@josopescafe.com. I'll get back to you personally within the day. And just give anything, parties, soccer games, any GA championships, church fates, anything, school open days. Just get in contact with us, guys. We will come and do that. We have coffee at a great price. Trust me, we're gonna be at least €1 cheaper than anywhere else that you know. Trust me. And it's all on wheels, guys. No matter where you are, we can come to you. We can work something out. So thanks, guys. And you'll hear all about great musicians. As you can hear already in the background, there's some guys playing in the back. Some music is mine, some music is our musicians. And if you have any music of your own and you're an independent Irish musician or independent musician at all, send us some of your stuff on at our email, which I've given you already. And also, guys, follow us on all our social medias, which I'll put around here somewhere. And I will see you in the next video, guys.
We don't have to be alone.